Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last video, you know that I recently scored the Birkin 25 from my Vegas trip. A lot of you guys messaged me and asked, how did it happen? How did you get offered the bag? I know getting offered a Birkin or Kelly from Hermes is always a mystery. So today I'm going to take you back to the day when I scored the bag and let's see how it happened. I have to say that Vegas is the paradise for shoppers. There are a total of 3 Hermes stores in Vegas and a bunch of other shops. So before my Hermes appointment, I actually went check out Van Cleef's Lucky Spring collection, and this ladybug bracelet completely stole my heart. It is so cute. Since I wasn't sure whether I would be able to score a bag from Hermes, I told myself if anything, I'm going to come back and get myself a bracelet or necklace. Turned out it's a lucky day for me, and obviously also a super red day for me. To be honest, when I first saw this red, I was afraid that this is too bright or too red. My friend was joking about it because what are you talking about? What is too red? But I mean, like, I'm usually more of a neutral girl, and as you can see, my Ebin Birkin 25 is super versatile, and I don't need to worry about, matching it with my outfit. But this red, I was like not really sure whether I should take it. But no color can go wrong with a Birkin, especially in the size 25. This is such a gorgeous red under normal lighting, and when I tried it on, I knew I had to take it home. Now, for those of you who are curious about the color and the leather, this Birkin 25 is in the color D5 or geranium in the TN leather with gold hardware. So, a lot of you are not familiar with the TN leather. It is very similar to the Togo leather. The TN leather was introduced in 2015, and while it's very scratch resistant, it's also very smooth and it feels really luxurious. So how that happened is I told my essay that I was there for the weekend and I really wanted to score a Birkin or Kelly along with some other stuff. So my essay was really straightforward, transparent, and she told me that okay, we only have one Birkin 25 in stock and it is a red Birkin. Although I didn't expect I would get a red Birkin, I definitely wanted a brighter color bag, especially for the summertime. I also asked whether they have the in the loop bag because I saw some pictures online and it's so cute. Fortunately, they have one in stock. However, it is also in the red color. Although this is a different shade of red called 5X Rock Pigment. The interior is actually in Rose Extreme, so this is a Verso bag. When I saw this bag, I completely fell for it because I love how the red matches with its white stitching, and to be honest, I do prefer this red, which is a darker red. I also got myself this pair of OZ Mills in the new Gris Argentine color with goat skin, and also the very classic Cape Cod watch. And this is my first time trying out their famous Bahamian leather. I would say overall it's a very pleasant shopping experience. I got my Birkin 25 and also a bunch of other stuff that I liked. The unboxing afterwards is definitely one of the best feelings. And for those of you who are interested in scoring a Birkin or a Kelly, I would highly recommend trying your luck in places with a lot of tourists, such as Hawaii and Vegas. But also keep in mind that they may have low stock or they don't have other stuff that you want. It would be helpful to have a list of stuff that you're interested in. So if one thing doesn't work out, you always have the option to try out other items. And last but not least, never force yourself to buy anything that you don't like. Alright, everyone, that's how I scored my second Birkin 25 bag from Vegas. And as you can see, I just reorganized my back shelf so that it's more presentable. And I have my Louis Vuitton shelf, my Chanel shelves, and also my Hermes shelf now. And yes, of course, I also did a lot of Chanel shopping when I was in Vegas. So if you're interested in a shopping vlog of Chanel's 2021 Spring Summer collection, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up to this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!